today I would like to share with you on how I was able to utilize my IT career, be that bus girl, starting my own business and scaling it. Yes, let me tell you, don't let anyone tell you that an IT degree, it's all about the technical stuff. There are some business side to it that, there's a lot of misleading information out there. And today I'm going to share with you on how you can invest in your IT career, whether you want to go about it the college way, or if you want to go about it the crash course way, or if you want to do it the self way. Today I'm going to share with you on how you can start your IT career. Yes, also the benefit of it and how you can scale it. Yes, an IT degree is not just all about the technical stuff. Yes, did you hear me? Hello, yes, you can scale your IT career by starting up your own business. Here am I. Let's talk about that. So why should you invest in an IT degree? Today I'm going to share that with you. There are some great benefits to it. So let me tell you, just in case if you thought about it and it came through your thought process and you're wondering, should you invest in your IT degree? You should. You should. Whether you want to go about it the college way or the crash course way or taking up a couple classes. Yes, but I think you should. And hear me out. So today, as you can take a look around the world and you can see that artificial intelligence technology is well advanced, right? We live in a world now that everything is just going the automated way, right? As you can see, everything, check your phone, check your computer, check your thermostat, check your car. Everything is just going into technology. So wouldn't you want to capitalize on it? Yes, and that's what I did. So I have an associate degree in computer information system as well as a bachelor's in information technology management. I'm working in a communication technology company and I'm working my way. Bottom line, I don't just believe in trading dollars for hours. I also believed in myself and investing in myself. Therefore, I took the initiative. All courses that I took over the 4 years in my computer information system as well as my information technology management courses, I was able to learn a lot about business, the fundamental of business, how to run an organization, how to medicate a business, how to prevent. There's so much information, supply and demand, learning about the method to use, whether it's agile method, whether it's I've learned different method and strategy. So it was not just only about the technical side, but I did learn about the business, and a lot of people are overlooking that part, the business side. You see, computer information system teaches you business and technology, the practical part of it as well as the business. So you don't only get to be the bus girl or the bus man, right? You can even start your own and establish your own. So I created my business, which is a LLC, Miss Naturalist LLC. This is the umbrella of everything. I do have a clothing brand that I am running an e-commerce store, and that is a business on its own that I'm creating, and I absolutely love it. The greatest thing that I love about being an IT tech is that whenever I talk to people every day and they have some kind of issue, they are frustrated about something, once they tell me, I'm already processing in the back of my head. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just processing on how I can help you solve it. And that is very rewarding when you're talking to people and they have ton of problems, technical problems, especially like baby boomers. Let me tell you, that can be a side business for you. And so when I tell you you should invest in your IT degree, I think you should, because here's the thing. You go to college, or let's say you decided to do a crash course and you're now certified, right? CompTIA, right? You took your certification and now you are fully licensed and certified. You can have your own side hustle where you're out there doing side jobs. Whether you are practicing installation, or you're troubleshooting somebody's problem, or you're setting up and wiring, or you're programming, or you're doing the database, or you're doing that web developing, that is a side hustle on its own. So yes, you could be working your 9-to-5 job as well as having your part-time. And your part-time is becoming your business. Now, what you want to do is to do it the right way, the legal way. You want to go ahead and register your business, whereas you have your own little company going, right? And so you're solving problems all day. I'm giving my service for free because when I talk to people every day, I'm telling them exactly what to do, right? But I decided to take mine a little bit further, start my own online business, e-commerce, where I'm marketing, I'm doing all different type of things. That is bringing revenue for me, and I absolutely love it. You see, you have to learn to invest in yourself and invest in your business. We were all taught to trade dollars for hours, but where's your time? If you have to punch that clock every day, that job is going to take over, control your life. What do you have control of? And I am struggling with that. And that's why I decided to start my own business, because eventually one day, if not now, one day I would have to resign, and I'm working on my business to build it. You see where I'm going with this? So you want to invest in yourself, becoming that tech, solving people problems, and also create your own legacy, building your own. It's a great career to position yourself, yes. See, a lot of people go for business degree, but if they knew how valuable it would be to just get a CIS degree, because they teach you business as well as being a practical. See, a lot of time we have a business degree, yes, and we go out there and we run this business, but you also have to hire another team to do all the practical things, right? And so the greatest thing that I like for me is the fact that practically, yes, I'm a hands-on girl, but as well as I'm a business girl, right? And so this is something that I am, practicing each day. I'm training myself. I'm training to go out there and start to take control of learning how to run my business on the side. Now, it's not where I would like it to be, but it's a work in progress, and it's okay. No one just grow overnight. It's a step-by-step process, but you just have to believe in yourself and know that you can do it. All it takes is faith. So if you're here watching this video right here, right now, and you're thinking to go and pursue an IT degree, I think you should. Go and invest in yourself. 2 things to invest in: your education and a house. There's a lot of things I have not yet accomplished, but that's okay. I'm happy for what I have accomplished so far. And so pat yourself on the back and say, you know what? I'm going to start today. You're going to start your degree. Go start doing some research. And if you're thinking of an online way to do it, you can check out Rasmussen College. Yes, Rasmussen University was a college that I went to finish my bachelor's degree. Great platform, great college. Their resources, the communication, their facilitators, their faculty members, wonderful. Great experience. So if you're thinking about it, you should check out Rasmussen University. All right, so I hope this information was able to help you out, as well as giving you some clarity so you can start your IT career. Go for it, because it's not only IT you will learn how to run a business as well. The steps to do it and scale it. Thank you for watching this video. Camille Thompson here. Take care. Bye.